Want to change your Facebook password? Follow these simple steps to secure your account in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the three-line menu icon. Then, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section and select Settings. Next, locate and open the Account Center. Within this menu, choose Password and Security, then select Change Password. Now, pick the account for which you want to update the password. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter your current password, followed by your new password twice to confirm it. Beneath the password fields, you'll see an option that allows you to log out of all devices where your account is currently active. This is particularly useful if you suspect that someone else has gained access to your account. For added security, consider enabling this option. Once you've entered all the necessary details, simply tap the Change Password button to finalize the update. And that's it. Your password has been successfully changed. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.